I just went to the store real quick. I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetic. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It has all these dope colors. It's literally take me back to the Caribbean, honey. Take me back to Brazil. Sorry. But you guys, I'm going to do something more on a Valentine's Day look. We're going to start with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Just going to apply that all over my eyelids to prime for the eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and just smear that out. Take any translucent powder and just apply that over the concealer. I love this powder so much. Oh my god, you guys. It's like the best thing ever. Go in with any loose fluffy brush. I believe this was by MAC, but the logo came off.
I think I should go with, let me see.
Going in like a patting motion, and I'm also, when I pat down, I brush it off. So it's like pat, 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 but also like a pat and brush off. Next, I'm going to take this brush here. It's also like a feathery loose type of, and we're going to take this, it's like a hot pink, and I'm going to focus mainly on the outer corner of my crease. And we're gonna go far out because when you put on your eyeliner, you want it to sit up high. I'm going in with this purple here. This is just a basic purple, but it's dark, so it'll do the job perfect. And we're gonna work on the outer corner. This palette is so pigment, guys. Like, I'm trying my hardest not to be heavy hand, and I'm used to being heavy hand with my dupe palettes. It be pigment, but it ain't this pigment. I'm just like, all right, calm down now. The same pink that I used before. Going to take that hot pink. Oh, that is a really hot pink. And I'm going to work on the outside of the purple. We're going to cut this and we're going to apply another color. This is the angle brush that I'm using, guys. It's just any ordinary angle brush that you would use for your eyebrows. The key is to apply your translucent powder right away because you don't want it to get on top like it did here. So now I'm going to take my purple and just come around the cut crease because I feel like I did too much with this cut crease. I want it to be more on the natural side. So I want it to be light right there. So I like that more, I think. You guys can't really see what I see because I'm seeing flawless. And when I look in the camera, I'm just like, is it the same or am I bugging? I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing with this eye. The way to do a cut crease is you get some concealer on your angle brush. You carve out pretty much. We are all artists and you're pretty much drawing. So you carve out what you want. After you trace, you paste so that it can be neat. You know, you could have kept it like this and you could have looked like an avatar or whatever. This is my first time doing something so dramatic, guys. I'm more on the natural side. So now I'm just going to apply more translucent powder. I'm going over with this pink hair. It has like a little bit of shimmer to it, but it's calm. So, you know, once again, you don't want to do too much. And it have that shimmery look that I want. I'm using a flat head brush because I just want to paste on this look onto the cut crease. And I want it like a neon color. Now I'm going to use my Pro Girl concealer. Nah, I want to cry right now. Like, I look like a ghost. I mean, if there was no such thing as contouring, I think I just look crazy right now. I want to hide. It's like too much concealer, it's not enough foundation, and this is bad. Guys. I look human again, I think. Going in with the Airspun translucent powder. This is in the color translucent. Extra translucent. Okay. We're gonna use this wet beauty blender. Right now I'm just contouring my nose a little bit. Now we're going to dust off this translucent powder. I was really not liking it, but now I'm like, sis, you want fleek, you want fleek. That always happens. Every time you don't like something, just keep going. Just keep going, because you never know. This is my ColorMate eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much because it's like one of those pointy eyeliners. Since we are, you know, half Chinese or whatever, we're gonna, just kidding. But I love Chinese people's eyes. It's so dope. We're gonna just follow the angle of our eyes. The key is to have like chinky eyes, so that's what you're going for. I'm lifting up my neck because I'm like, do this makeup match my neck right now? As I'm looking into it, I feel like it does, but then again I'm like, lashes, yes, lashes. So now I'm going in with my MAC Prep Primer. This is the Fix Studio one, and it's just something to keep your face looking matte and dewy at the same time. Okay, I don't think you should be inhaling this while you're spraying it on your face. Today I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and this is the Sun Dip. I'm going in with summer. I just love summer for some reason. I also like bronze because it's my complexion, but I'm going in with summer just to add a little bit on the tip of my nose. Right now I'm just mixing the two together. Just applying it everywhere, pretty much. So you want to glow. I just like to wear any lip gloss because I feel like my eyes is a little bit much. So it got that hollow look to it, and it matched my eyelids a little bit. So you guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you want to see more looks, don't forget to comment below and let me know. But you guys, thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.